Isang mapagpalang araw, grade 7. Ngayong araw, ako ang gagabay sa inyo sa pagsagot ng inyong Activity 2 entitled Reasonable Estimates. Before tayo magtungo sa ating halimbawa, makakatandaan muna natin ang mga prefixes na ito. Kilo, hekto, deka for the bigger unit, deci, centi, and milli for the smaller unit. Take note of that. We have here the example. A container of water. What do you think is the most appropriate measure or the most appropriate unit of it? Let's take a look at this example. If the container below measures 6 liters, 5 liters, 2,000 milliliters, 500 milliliters for the smallest, what do you think is the appropriate unit for this blue container of water? Is it milliliters or liters? Liters, since it is bigger than the milliliter. How about this example? A pack of mungo beans measures 200. What would be the appropriate unit of it? If we have there, sliced bread weighs 20 grams, a basket of mangoes weighs 2 kilograms, what would be the appropriate unit of a pack of mungo beans? Is it grams or kilograms? Since it is lighter than mango, the answer must be grams, 200 grams. Another example. Ito naman kayang isang sapad ng saging. Ano sa palagay ninyo ang mas mainam na gamiting unit para sa saging na ito? 2 blank. Kung ang isang candy ay may timbang na 4 milligrams, a pack of candy weighs 400 grams, mas mabigat ba ang candy kaysa sa saging? Mas mabigat. Kaya, ang dapat na sagot natin dito ay kilograms. Another example. Official working hours in a day. The answer is 8 blank. Is it 8 seconds, 8 minutes, or 8 hours? The answer must be 8 hours. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next virtual instruction. Thank you!